Hey, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you one of the most common cosmetic flaws on the 2017 to 2022 Ford Super Duty trucks and how I personally fix it. Now, I'm not a mechanic, and I definitely am not going to be pulling out any fancy tools today. We're not going to be doing anything too crazy, but what I personally do to fix this problem on almost a daily basis, because this happens to just about every single one of these F250, 350, 450, 550s out there. And it just happens, it's a bad design, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. And you're going to need three different tools. First tool you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, optional masking tape, and required super glue, Gorilla Glue. I like Gorilla Glue, super glue. It's easy to use, the bottles always work nice, and it's easy to apply. And what I'm talking about is your weather stripping on the back here. It comes, there's a rivet, there's a plastic piece that goes around that rivet, and the rivet goes around the plastic piece and holds it into place. The problem is that this piece is constantly pressured up through heat and everything, and it breaks at a single point like this one has. So we're going to be reattaching that, and this is an easy one because it has most of the plastic left. And then we're going to secure that down, and we're just going to super glue it. Really simple. If I save you some time and money, hit the super thanks button or just subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So as you can see, this plastic piece has given away. This is the biggest pressure point on that plastic piece. It goes around that rivet, and over time, through car washes, heat, bouncing around, it breaks at that plastic point, and it comes off. So you're going to want to put it back around that rivet, and sometimes you got to use a screwdriver to push that in and then get it around that rivet. Now what I like to do is pull this piece back a little bit because it slides up here. It slides a little bit. You want to slide it so that you can get it all the way around that rivet. So this is where you're going to use your screwdriver. Be careful you don't hit the glass, otherwise you could break the glass if you're not careful. So we're going to put that down. Full disclosure with super glue, if you get it on the paint, you can damage the paint, and it's not easy to get off. So I'm not responsible for you wrecking your paint. Just put a couple drops on there, not too much, not too little. And then you're going to want to tape it down so that it doesn't move. Now, if you can't get it to set good around that rivet, you got to get this piece to come back a little bit more. Now you just have your tape on there, and all you got to do is wait for that glue to dry. If you're impatient, you can blow on it a little bit, but I like to just hold it until it dries. Like I said, you can hold it down and blow on it a little bit. And you'll know when it dries because you'll let off the pressure and it won't move. And once you have that, then you know it's dry. After you get it to the point where it doesn't move, you're going to want to let it set for 10 to 15, maybe even a half hour, and then I'll show you my next step that I do. Alright, so now our super glue is dry, and I did learn a valuable lesson from making this video, is that super glue takes an extremely long time to dry in the sun. So if you're doing this, put your vehicle in the shade, and it'll probably go a lot quicker. That's also the thing, if you use too much, it'll take longer to dry. but we didn't really have much to do today, so it was okay. So now that it's dry, you can see it's not really going anywhere. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put one more drop just at the top of that rivet, just to add an extra layer of adhesive. And since it's already secured, we don't really have to hold it down, but that's pretty much it. And I'm going to give you one more pro tip here. If you want to prevent your other one from doing the same, because this one looks like it's still secured nicely, I'm just going to put a drop on the top of this one as well, just so if it does come loose, it'll be held in place by something else. Consider it preventative maintenance. Once again, try not to get super glue on anything else. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, give me a like, subscribe on YouTube. I'd really appreciate it. We're getting ever closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And if I saved you any time and money, consider the super thanks button. And remember, don't use too much super glue and don't get it on your paint, because it will damage the paint and be hard to get off. Also, try not to get any of the super glue on the glass, and don't hit the glass with your screwdriver when you're pushing that plastic piece around the rivet. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I was able to help you out, and have a great day.